What's up, y'all? So today I chose to do the honey hot chicken tenders. I put them in a bowl with some vinegar to soak the germs off. Then I had a separate bowl of flour with some seasonings in it. These are all the seasonings that I used. I only put half of these into that flour. The rest of this went on the chicken. Boom. So added the hot sauce to that with the buttermilk. This is the result. Okay. Then we double dipped in the regular flour with nothing in it. And here we are letting these dry out. Here is the honey hot sauce, which, by the way, tastes absolutely good. Y'all, please give this a try. It is very delicious. I got this from TikTok, y'all. All you gotta do is type in the search, honey hot chicken tenders. This was so quick. I made this on my lunch break. I had an hour lunch break, but I did prep before. I put them all in the pot, poured the sauce on, then I just rolled them all in the sauce, and here we are. Of course, you need that dab of ranch. Peace out. Till next time.